Back over in Hale. We've been off this job for about, I think it's about in between 8 and 12 weeks, can't even remember now, it's been that long. We put the job on hold because we weren't allowed to be on site where the underpinners were underpinning the existing building. But we're back here now, we're cracking on, we're getting the brickwork, arches are going on, and this floor's going on. We're gonna get everything to wall plate this week, so we can hopefully next week look at start building the roof. Hey man. Right, so basically we've drilled all the holes now, and what's happening now is I'm going around and putting all my plates inside all the steels. I had to nip off to get the mag drill because the combi drill just wasn't cutting it with the drill bits. It was taking forever. So I'm going to get all these fitted in now, fixed in, bolted together, and I'm going to crack on getting this floor in, and then hopefully look at trying to getting the boards on later on today. All these bits, I always got these of how they go.
So then stay with that on that side, they can't be mixed with them.
These for this arch?
Yeah, they're for that arch on this side, they're for that arch that side. Same on this. And they can't be mixed at all.
What's for that arch though?
It's not, well, that's just how they put them on.
How do you know which is being mixed on that one? What? How do you know what? He's just done them all. Full ones over, we've just putting them down anyway, won't we?
Yeah, you should be working them in, won't you?
We've got ours, we've got, you know, we'll be cutting them down. And they're just all the same, them, aren't they?
What? If you can't mix them, he said.
But that's different to that, isn't it?
He said you can't mix them, mate. They've got one in a certain way. He said they work to a finger. So how they are, that's how they go on.
They can't be used on that side, they've got to be on this side.
Yeah, but they can't be used on that.
With them. They can't be
You've got that only works for that left hand side. This works for this right hand side.
So all these ones work for these two?
And then that is this side, that is that side, that is that, and that is that. You can't mix them.
Right, okay.
He said if none of it works, it's because you up, he said.
What he's done, he's muddled them all up so he knows we're all at. Where's that go?
So the arches have arrived. We've been waiting for a few weeks for these to be made. I wanted to make them traditionally, but the engineer would not allow it. And he spec'd a precast concrete with reinforced mesh in them. We've designed the arches so that they are in keeping with the existing house. And I think Wayne will tell you a little bit more about them.
Yeah, we've done them, well, Brick Presentation Services in Stockport have made them. They've done it with like a reinforced steel with a plate which sits on the second course of the Springer course. And they've done like an alternating, it's like a voussoir then a cant brick, like which alternates, which matches the existing arches that are already in. So these are going to look good when they're installed.
We're going to be installing the small ones tomorrow. We should have these 4 in tomorrow, and we have two big ones coming, which are the 3.3 metre span.
3.2 metre span, yeah.
Yeah, so when they go in as well towards the end of the week, this is really going to make this job start to stand out. Like I say, we have been off this job for a while because we was waiting for the arches to be made, but was also waiting for the underpinners to finish in the house. They didn't want anyone on site. So now we're back here, we're going to get going on it again. That's it, so we've got 2 arches in, all built, fixed in place, pointed up. 90% of the floor's down, just got a couple more joists to put in the morning, and then we'll be looking at getting the cable flooring on there and getting that floor finished so we can beam fill everything tomorrow. We're going to get the brickwork up then, get the wall plates on, and hopefully by the end of this week we'll be looking at starting the roof. See you all tomorrow.
Just finishing, repoint these structural arches. Just doing last smaller. We've got 2 very big ones to go on the front and back. They're coming on Friday. But we can come with really crane for them because they're going to be quite a heavy piece of concrete.
most of the floor joist in now. While they set up the trestles just to finish off the final bit, I am going to be start getting this floor down, which is a caber weatherboard, which I've used on multiple times on different episodes. And we're going to be gluing this down with caber glue and using 50mm screws. So I'm going to crack it on with this. Going to get as much of this done as I can today because it's going to rain tomorrow. And if it's alright tomorrow, I'll get it finished tomorrow. So that's it for this video. We have got all the floor installed now. We're literally getting the last bit of the walls up 675 from finished floor level, so we can put the wall plates on. We're going to be looking at start setting out the roof beginning of next week, and I'm literally going around now cleaning all the scaffolding off, so this scaffolding can be lifted for a short lift by the scaffolders next week. So I'll see you all next week.